Hello everyone, welcome back on the Photoshop tutorial. This one I'm going to show you how to fix it so that if you've got your text here and you want to change the color and it's not changing, how do you do that? Well, here's an example. For example, here I've got it selected, and if I go here up to my color panel and I move it, the color of the text is not changing. Very frustrating. Also, if I select it over here and I click on this little color button, also moving it around, not changing. What the heck's going on here? There's a couple simple fixes. The first one you can do is you can go up here to Window and then open up Character. When you open up Character, you get this color here. This does allow you to change color. So if I click on that red and I move it to some other color like white, it's done. That is the first way. The second way, you can click on it, double click on it, then up at the top here, you're going to see when I hover up here, it says set text color. That's how you do it. This is very common if you just move some stuff around. Normally, if you're on the text tool, you get this here, but if you go to the move tool and you start moving things around, then you try to change color, that's usually the reason for it. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.